Well, Parker and I back with the Honda again, and it's the first modification day. We have an Invidia Catback. Parker, do you think this is gonna be rice?
I think it's gonna be mint, dude.
I tried to find the deepest exhaust possible. There's not many options, but this should
be very fitting.
Yeah,
for this.
Go ahead and pop her open. Look how small the piping is. It's like 2-inch or something. Honda life. Not much
Nothing
air.
like a fresh exhaust.
You can get this system from karmaspeed.com, linked in the description. These systems get to your house really fast. Like 2 days it took. Nice resonator.
What is this?
That's a silencer.
We don't need
We got just buns right here. This is just how to make your exhaust sound like buns. Here's where the business happens right here. The neighbor hater. Shout out to my neighbor Dan. We love you.
Dan likes these.
Yeah, Dan likes those. He does. I think it's pretty cute. They definitely made this Honda size. That's kind of funny. I've never seen an Invidia.
Funny how short it is.
Yeah, it's so short. This piece is gonna save us from absolutely hating this car after this.
Cold start, baby.
Black Friday to Cyber Monday, 10x entries, highest multiplier of this entire promotion. This is the best time to get entered to win this Honda Civic Si. Why we're doing this is the most important thing about it, to transform and give away a fun car to help someone in need. So we're manifesting that this car gets to someone who needs it, whether it's the winner themselves or whoever wins it has someone in mind that, you know, that it would totally change their life and send them on a new trajectory of wins. We can share that story with you and give all of us as an automotive community something to rally behind. That's why we're doing this. So if you like that idea, now is the best time to support ever. Whether you need car parts that'll get you entries to win, whether you want some new gear, we have a whole set of new collections for every situation, type of clothing you need, type of look you want. Go scroll through all those collections and find something that you love. The third thing I want to note is the easiest, most simple, most budget-friendly way to get entered into this giveaway is if you search on the website wallpapers, iPhone wallpapers. For a couple bucks, you can do Apple Pay, couple clicks, done. You support it, you get entered on karmaspeed.com. 10x Black Friday to Cyber Monday, the highest entry multiplier of the giveaway happening right now. Happy holidays. I'm excited for this to unfold and to continue to share the story of the Honda with you because it gets very, very interesting and something really interesting and not good happened. So it's a little teaser at the end of the episode, so stick around to the end. I'll see you there in an upcoming episode soon. Appreciate you. Let's get into it. Exhaust day.
Thread the needle. Don't hit that pole or this car. He's panicking. Stop. Stock idle check. All right, let's hear some revs. A little pre-check. Okay. Boo. Good side over here.
I was just setting it up so you could find.
Nah, you line that up. Yeah, just perfect jack point right here.
Yeah, dude, nice and strong. It's the strongest part, right? The body? Where is
Put her like 2 feet and then give her the shake test. Oh, dude, I've been looking for this.
Shake test?
All right, cool.
Bro, what are these tires? Arizonian?
Are they?
Arizonian, bro.
Sheesh.
Factory.
Those are the commuters right there. All right, let's take a little look. This big old muffler, goodbye. Big old resonator, a little bit smaller one. Look how small the piping is on this. 3-inch? No, we don't need that. We need like 0.75 inch. Oh, these are gonna be fun. The rust.
This is you, and then that's the guy she told you not to worry about. Where's the orange juice at?
Yeah, get the orange juice. Soak this whole John, dude. Oh gosh, easy, get the trigger. All right, PB blast. It's either gonna ruin our day or make our day really easy. It's these 3 bolts right here.
Oh, 1 down, 2 more to go.
It doesn't stop there because the backside could start spinning at any moment. Oh yeah, boys. 2 to go. All right, it's time to get some leverage, boy. You versus the guy she tells you not to worry about. Oh. All right, we're golden. We're in good shape. The orange juice, boys. The orange juice.
It's the only way.
That's the only way. All right, 2 down, 1 to go. Oh, yeah.
3 for 3.
3 for 3. What do we got going? One side's welded, so we only need to get this off. Those look like a 12 or something. Oh, first try, 12. Those are gonna come right off with the...
He's gonna go flying off with that spring, dude.
It's important with your orange juice. Junior didn't get the backside here where the nut's gonna be threaded through. Lightly get some juice on her. Man, these Milwaukee cordless ratchets rip on a full battery. If you don't have one of these, Amazon link, there's always tools there. If you're new to working on cars, I got all the tools on the Amazon list. All right, this thing's gonna fall now after I'm ready. One more after this. Oh, this thing works beautifully. Yo, look at, let me show something. Give me that side of it. Look at this.
I know,
oh, look at this, how small. Oh, there's 2. Get up in there. World's easiest catback. Honda life, boy. Slide this up. I'm gonna slide into the hanger first. All right, we're almost there. Slide this up through here. Am I doing something wrong? Does it go below? Does it go like under here? No, there's no way. Wait, what? You gotta be kidding me.
It was going too well.
It was going way too easy.
Way too well.
I got word from Invidia that this was a weird mistake. No need to stress. I myself have had a lot of Invidia systems, never had an issue like this. I think this is just my odds because I've had so many systems. So when you order one, don't worry about it. If you did have an issue, we would make it right, of course, if you buy it from Karma Speed, which if you didn't know is the best way to support the content, and it also gets you entered to win this car.
Yo, it sounds kind of fire like a street bike. Oh gosh, I hope the drone goes away when we finish the system. I'm on my way, obviously. Sounds pretty clean. There we go, 2nd gear. Oh yeah. Oh, little crap. The drone is so bad. Watch out. It's so loud, bro. Little POV. 3rd gear. And we're in the right lane. Woo. See that's pretty fun. Like the little pressure changes. Now that we can have pressure exiting, it's not just holding it back. Alright, we got a green. That's gonna be a good downtrip to 2nd. Oh. Just driving like an idiot in this thing. Everyone's looking at you like, this dude's so annoying. Got me dialed. Thank you, dude. All right, let's check the Canon out. Still connects there and everything. Nice. All right, what do we got? It is a lot louder. It's actually pretty chill in 5th gear, cruising 50 miles an hour. It's quiet in here. Okay, when I pulled out of the exhaust shop, I was a little worried, but this is actually not bad. I want to go off a red light and see how loud it is when I rode through the gears. 6,000 RPM decel in 2nd gear. Alright, freeway test. Let's get up to like 80. Alright, 70 miles an hour cruise control. What's the
one of the unanswered questions in my world is, can you make a Honda sound good? I think you can, but like in real life, like I want to feel it, experience it. And can it be done with just an Invidia Catback? I don't know. I'm worried about the mid-tones, just cruising around town, kind of being a little too loud. Like you're trying to talk with your buddy. All right, we're gonna row 1st through 5th off a red light and see does it pass the daily driver test. On the freeway, it's good. Here we go. I got nowhere to be. I got someone right here. So when I hit 4th, I'm like, okay, it's starting to get okay. Hit 5th, I'm definitely fine. Does not mess with our dynamic, our conversation. 1st through 3rd is questionable. So in that instance, my default mindset goes to a 4-to-1 header to a stock catback would be better than this, which I was a little concerned about. I don't really want to put a header on, but I kind of do. Now I'm curious, will I? Probably, if I can maybe source one. This is the problem with me. This is why I started a YouTube channel, so it all makes sense, so they're all tax write-offs. But it's for science, right? The problem with the stock catback, if I do a header to the stock catback, is that the piping is so small on the stock catback, I almost feel bad for the car. Why do I feel bad for the car? It's so small. It's like trying to breathe out of a straw if you're a human being. You know how annoying that would get after a while? But I'm like, should I be worried about that? Here's the final look and the idle sound. I don't know why it's shaking a little bit. I don't know if you can see it on camera. I gotta figure that out. Looks good though. I'll rev it out for you. What do we think? Do we like it? Do we not like it? Comment down below. You ready?
She's all mounted up.
Yeah, she's dialed now.
Let's hear it. Not bad. It's actually a lot deeper than I thought it would be. It doesn't sound that bad. You alright?
You heard that right. Some commotion, something bad happened to the Honda. Gotta be one of the worst things I've ever done. I have every solution for everything already figured out in the next episode as well as what happened. So you're gonna wanna check the next episode out. In the meantime, if you haven't seen us going and buying this mint Honda Civic from Facebook, from my hometown, here's the video of us picking it up. Get updated with episode 1. You saw 2. Look for 3 coming out soon. It's one of my most dreaded uploads.